So today we're looking at the first of the Infinikey loaner boards. These are the custom keyboards that we send out to companies for them to try out before placing an order to test out the different models, switches, keycaps, and so on, and really see what's possible with a fully built keyboard bundle for their company and team. So right away, we're looking at a custom sleeve. This, of course, can be customized with a custom color, custom logo, any custom text as if you were printing on any other box. And we have our QR code here. You can sign up for our newsletter, other social links, but let's slide off this sleeve and see what's inside. Inside, we have a piece of protective foam, and I've already taken off the plastic film so we can look right away at this keyboard. These will show up either with the keycaps installed or uninstalled like this one, but the switch is in so people can get a bit of a experience of putting together this keyboard. This is a white painted ACR Pro Alice keyboard. White here, the base models are typically translucent or black. We've gone for the white one to be pretty flexible with any of the colors that we play with. And on the back, we're going to remove the film. And there we go. We have a custom badge with the Infinikey logo, of course. The badge is matte. It has a nice grain to it, really high print quality. And this also, just like the packaging, can be customized with color, logo, any text, any image, as long as we can put it together on a PDF or Illustrator file. The model of the keyboard itself is optional. We put it here so that people can see ACR Pro Alice Plus, working with ACO along with other brands to bring customized keyboard models to your desk. Let's go ahead and put keycaps on it so you can see what it is like. By the way, for anyone interested, this is using a very old classic Mac-inspired black on white Infinity set made a couple years ago, but I thought I'd bring this out for this particular build on a white keyboard. Has a nice little retro vibe. The keycaps are slightly off white. The keyboard is more vibrant, and here we go. Here's a nice little sample Infinity keyboard for people to loan out. If you're interested in receiving one of these keyboards, and of course the company samples, here's one for Google X, another one here on my desk for Meta, reach out to us in the form link below and we will get you set up with not just a sample keyboard, but some sample custom keycaps for you to try out with your colleagues and team. This is Michael. Thanks for checking out the products with us, and we'll catch you next time.